guys, welcome back to the Crochet Creations. So today I'm going to make heart tote bag. Before starting tote bag, I want to show you something. Today I ordered a microphone for my video, and I'm going to unbox this microphone in front of you guys. So yesterday I ordered this product from Daraz. So I really love the company Boya. Maybe I want to make video by using this microphone. So today I'm going to use this microphone to make my video. So this is my microphone. I'm going to use this microphone to make tote bag tutorial. Make a slip knot and chain 38. But first of all, we have to make chain 37. But in the last, I will add one chain for turning chain. So now I'm going to make 37 chain here. 1, 2, 3. Thirty-six, 37. So now I'm going to add one chain for turning chain. It's 38 chain. So in tote bag we have to add first of all light color and then dark color. When I go for a switch color, and I will switch dark color. So now after making 3 single crochet of dark, so now I'm going to switch color in the 4 stitches. To switch color we have to do like this and leave this yarn, and I'm going to pull up the light yarn here. So I have to love 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain of dark color. So now I'm going to make 5 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, and in 5 chain I'm going to switch color, switch dark color here like this. After you got 2 loops of the hook, then you can switch color like this. Keep following the color of each square until the end of the row. You can see here I am following this graphic grid, and this is a graphic grid, and I'm following this graphic grid. This dark color is this, and the light color is white. This is gray here. So now I'm in this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to switch color here. Or you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paths. 1, 2, there is a 5. I'm here in this pattern. So now I'm in white pattern. So in this pattern I'm going to make total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 chain I'm going to switch color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In 6th chain I'm going to switch dark color like this. So now I have total of 6 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just finished making row 1. This is a row 1. In row 1 there is a last stitches here, single crochet of light color, and this is a dark light. Make row 2. In row 2, chain 1, make chain 1 and turn around, make crochet and switch the color. Here in the single crochet, and now I'm going to switch the color here like this. Switch the color and make 3 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3. In the second chain I make total of 3 chain here. Now I'm going to switch color. I switch color in the 3 chain. Now I'm going to make light color. In the second chain I have to make 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In 5 chain I'm going to switch color here. Switch this dark color. So this is the first pattern, and is it the second pattern for a back? I made this, but now no, we made 37 chains the same, and add more chains for the turning stitches. Then make single crochet until you reach the dark color. Next we are going to make single crochet around the edge as the border here. Single crochet here. So now I'm going to make single crochet here. From this chain 1 and make single crochet around the pattern. I make single crochet all around the chain. So now they make crochet back base. This is my back base. So next part, I'm going to attach this yarn into the corner stitch and chain 1 and make single crochet and join this from this pattern. So here we are going to make single crochet. First of all, I'm going to join this part here, and second part will be this part, and third part will be this part. Okay, now I'm going to join this pattern. So now I'm going to join this base part with this part, and I'm using this yarn and using this hook. Okay, let's get into the video. Just make single crochet together. Like this. I just finished joining this one part of a Powerpuff bag. So now I'm going to join another. Here I'm joining this with single crochet. Here you can see I joined all of this together, and now it's look like a Powerpuff bag, tote bag. So this is a tote bag. It looks so attractive, you know. I'm going to make straps here. First of all, I have to mark the stitches here to make straps. So now I'm going to make straps here, and here, two parts, and I will be carry like this. So I have to make here. Here we go. I make 4 single crochet here to make straps. So continue my work. Make a long straps, make 106 chains here to make a straps. I just finished making straps, and now my bag is ready, and this is a Powerpuff hard bag. This is my hard bag. At last, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video.